This breaks my heart when I see this, and I see this all the time. And effort alone will not get you the results that you desire and deserve. And here's why. If you're over the age of 40, what happens is your metabolism starts to slow down. And if you're just doing more and more workouts and harder workouts and eating less and less calories, what happens is it actually slows your metabolism down to a stall, making it even harder to lose weight. So effort alone is not the answer. The answer is having the right workouts, having the right meal plan. And honestly, you're going to find that as far as meals come, you probably need to eat a little bit more. You just need to eat the right foods. You need to eat real foods, not processed foods, not packaged foods, not anything, not supplements, to have a real food for real results approach. As far as exercise, if you just focus on progressively strength training, getting stronger over time, working your whole body, 10 to 20 exercises, strengthening and toning your whole body, that's going to reset, renew, and rejuvenate your metabolism, and that's where it's all about. That's when you get to the results that you want, guaranteed.